So one of the things that you can do is go ahead and insert out mathematical formulas in the slide as well. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the top and you can see that insert formula is an option. So here what you can actually do is you can add in LaTeX expressions if you want. For example, I have a LaTeX expression copied out, so let's just go ahead and paste this right here, and you can see that this is what you have. So now you can see the LaTeX expression right here just like this. Let's just go ahead right here and remove this out right here. So X and then let's say for example upper sign right here. So that is what I have, as you can see, and you can go ahead and edit this out as you want right here. So this is how you can actually go ahead and add in LaTeX formulas right here, or even go ahead right here and use different options that you have right here, and the LaTeX will be inserted right here just like this, and you'll be able to go ahead and add in formulas as you want. So you can go ahead right here just like this, click on whatever you want. So let's just go ahead right here and clear this out, and here you can see that there's like, let's say for example arrays right here that you have, or there's like summation. So you can go ahead and click, and then you actually have the LaTeX getting inserted right here. There's common formulas that you can insert out as well right here, and then click on it to go ahead and insert it right here, and you can see the sample in the output area. Press OK, and these formulas will be inserted out right here just like this. You can go ahead and double click it to open up the formula again, and this is what you have again. You can go ahead and resize it, select out all right here just like this, and even go ahead and change around the font size right here just like this. So this is how you can go ahead and insert out mathematical formulas inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.